Volume number 11. Can සහ could යනු උපක්‍රියාපද දෙකකි. Can පුළුවන් යන අරුත දෙන වර්තමාන ක්‍රියාපදයකි. Could පුළුවන් විය. Can යන්නෙහි අතීත කාල ක්‍රියාපදයයි. බහුවචන ඒකවචන සෑම අවස්ථාවකම එකසේ can could යන පද යොදාගත හැක. වෙනස අතීත වර්තමාන කාල පමණයි. මේ වාක්‍යය බලන්න. I can play cricket. මට ක්‍රිකට් සෙල්ලම් කිරීමට පුළුවන්. We can climb trees. අපට ගස් නැගීමට පුළුවන්. He can run fast. ඔහුට වේගයෙන් දුවන්න පුළුවන්. John can earn sufficient money. John ප්‍රමාණවත් මුදල් ඉපයීමට හැක. පුළුවන් හැකිය යන්න ප්‍රකාශ කරන සෑම තැනකදීම පුළුවන් වුණ බව කීමට could යොදා ගන්නු ලැබේ. John could earn sufficient money. ජෝන්ට ප්‍රමාණවත් මුදල් ඉපයීමට හැකි විය. He could do something for the future generation. ඔහුට අනාගත පරම්පරාව වෙනුවෙන් යමක් කිරීමට පුළුවන් විය. අපි දැන් ඉංග්‍රීසි වචන ඉගෙන ගනිමු. Number 151. Astute. කපටි නුවණ ඇති නිපුණ චතුර. Number 152. Attack. පහර දෙනවා ආක්‍රමණය කරනවා. Number 153. Attend. හිත යොමු කරනවා පැමිණ පෙනී සිටිනවා. Number 154. Attacked. ඇද ගන්නවා ආකර්ෂණය කරනවා. Number 155. Aurora. අරුණු අරුණාලෝකය. Number 156. Author. කර්තෘ. Number 157. Avenge. වරදට පලිගන්නවා දඬුවම් කරනවා. Number 158. Avid. කෑදර තද ආසා ඇති. Number 159. Award. දීමනාව ත්‍යාගය. Number 160. Balcony. සඳළු තලය සඳැල්ල. Number 161. Barge. පාරුව පාරුවෙන් යනවා. Number 162. Bastard. අවජාතක දරුවා අවජාතක. Number 163. Baton. බස්තම පොල්ල. Number 164. Battle. සටන යුද්ධය පොරය. Number 165. Beast. මුග්‍රයා තිරිසන. Number 166. Bed off. තවරනවා ගානවා. Number 167. Beggar. හිඟන්නා යාචකයා. Number 168. Behave. හැසිරෙනවා ක්‍රියා කරනවා. Number 169. Behead. හිසගසා දමනවා. Number 170. Behind. පස්ස පිටුපසින්. Number 171. Behoop. ලාභය වාසිය. Number 172. Beldam. මැහැල්ල. Number 173. Belfry. ඝණ්ඨාගාරය. Number 174. Belief. විශ්වාසය ඇදහීම. Number 175. Bell. සීනුව ඝණ්ඨාව මිනිගෙඩිය. Number 176. Bend. නමනවා නැමෙනවා. Number 177. Benefit. යහපත උපකාරය. Number 178. Benam. හිරිවැටෙනවා. Number 179. Besiege. කන්න ලව් කරනවා යදිනවා. Number 180. Beside. ඇරත් යලිත් තවද. Children, please listen this dialogue and try to understand what they are talking and see their pronunciations clear, understandable, polite and beauty of the English speaking.
Hello, Speedy Deliveries. This is Jason speaking.
Hi, this is Margaret from Comtex. I have a question. How long would it take to ship a large box to Singapore?
Our Asian connections have just been improved. Now shipments to Singapore only take 3 weeks.
Great. And how much would that cost?
Let's see. That would be $120 per 100 pounds.
Not bad. So if the shipment leaves today, it will arrive in 3 weeks?
That's right.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. How many people are in your family?
There are 4 of us.
I'm the middle child. I have an older sister and a younger brother. There are only 3 of us. My father, my mother, and me. I'm an only child. Which year were you born?
In 1942.
When's your birthday?
On April 12th.
How old is your brother?
He's 25. So, where are you from?
I was born in California, but I live in Seattle.
Can I ask you about your family?
Sure, why not?
Okay. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yeah, I have an older brother and a younger sister.
How old are they?
My brother's 33 and my sister's 12.
I see. And which year were you born?
In 1991. How about you?
I was born in 1991, too.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Nope. I'm an only child.
When is your birthday?
March 31st. When's yours?
June 11th. You're 3 months older than me. Hey, Linda, how large is your family?
I have a big family. There are 7 of us.
Wow. How many brothers do you have?
2. How large is your family?
There are 4 of us.
Do you have a brother or a sister?
A brother. He's younger than I am.
Do you get along with him?
Yeah, but sometimes I wish I was an only child. Hi, Sue. What are you doing?
Hey, David. I'm making a birthday card.
Who's it for?
My sister.
When is her birthday?
It's the day after tomorrow.
How old is she going to be?
She'll be 12.
How come you never make me a birthday card?
Well, when is your birthday?
On February 28th.
Okay, I'll make you a card next year.
Leslie, do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters.
That's a big family. Are you the oldest?
Well, I'm the oldest girl. How large is your family?
There are 5 of us.
It sounds like you have brothers or sisters, too.
Right. I have an older sister and a younger brother.
Oh, so you're the middle child.
Yep, I'm right in the middle. So, tell me a little bit about your family.
I have a big family. There are 10 of us.
Wow. How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 4 brothers and 3 sisters.
How old are they?
4 are older and 3 are younger. I'm the middle child.
Interesting. And which year were you born?
In 1993.
How large is your family, Mel?
It's not very big. There are only 4 of us.
Let's see. Mom, Dad, you, and a brother?
No, an older sister, Jen.
How old is Jen?
She's 17.
And how old are you?
I'm 14. Hi, Tad. What are you doing here?
Hey, Betty. I'm looking for a birthday present.
Whose birthday is it?
My friend Matt's. His birthday is on Friday.
Really? My friend Mandy's is the same day.
Great. Why don't you shop with me?
Okay. How old is Matt going to be?
18. How about Mandy?
First, I'll need some information about your family.
Okay. What would you like to know?
How many people are in your family?
There are 6 of us.
All right. And do you have any brothers or sisters?
I have 2 older brothers and a younger sister.
Okay. How old are they?
My brothers are 26 and 28, and my sister's 16.
Great. Now, how old are you?
I'm 20.
Thank you so much and see you again in next lesson.